I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin on the watch. Press and hold the current face to open face selection. Once the grid appears, swipe left to see added faces or tap the ++ to open the gallery. You do this because selecting from the watch is fastest. It shows live previews. Make sure the watch is unlocked and your iPhone is nearby for any deeper edits. Once done, tap a face to preview it before customizing. This gets you directly into the next, editable stage. Now customize. Tap Edit on the chosen face, then swipe between Style, Color, and Complication panes. Use the digital crown to cycle options. This gives fine control over font weight and color. For complications, tap a slot and pick from your installed apps. Change complication data to show battery, activity rings, or calendar. You can also open the Watch app on your iPhone to access more layouts and easier selection. Syncing ensures finish by pressing the digital crown twice to save edits, then tap the face to make it active. You do this to lock in layout and ensure complications load. Allow a few seconds for the watch to refresh and fetch complication data from apps. If a complication shows stale or empty info, make sure the companion app has permission and background refresh enabled. If problems persist, restart the watch and iPhone. This often resolves sync glitches and forces a fresh data pull.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.